Hi my lovely people, hope you're all fine. Hope the festive season is going on very well for you. Today I'm going to be sharing a very simple recipe. This is cow feet. It looks like this. You can just get it from the butcher or the meat market. When you go there, just ask the people at the butcher to help you to cut it, because it's next to impossible to cut it yourself. They helped me to cut it into small pieces, and they also helped me to smoke it. I started eating cow feet as an adult, and the taste is very nice, delicious, and very comforting. It may not be everyone's cup of tea, but don't be so quick like to shoot it down till you taste it, because trust me, it's very nice, it's very delicious, and it's very, very healthy. So I'm washing it. You can also take your time to wash it, because as you know, meats are never clean, so you have to give it a very nice wash until it's clean. And I'm putting it in a pressure cooker because it takes very long to cook, but in the pressure cooker it can take about 3 hours. Mine took 3 hours to cook, but when you use like a normal saucepan, normal heat, it may take about 6 hours to cook. So right now it's about after an hour, and as you can see, the soup has not even reduced. So I'm going to cover it and then boil it again. Just boil it in plain water. Don't add anything because you don't want to lose any of the nutrients. So now it's about after like 2 hours and 50 minutes. The meat is very soft. As you see, the soup has reduced, and now I'm going to add the ingredients. For the fresh ingredients, I used onions, green pepper, carrots, tomatoes, and potatoes. I love potatoes in my cow feet. They come out very flavorful and very tasty. And for the dry ingredients, I used only salt and beef curry. Why I didn't put so many dry ingredients is because I wanted to just have the natural flavor of the cow foot. I didn't want to lose any of its taste or any of its flavors. So now I'm going to boil everything on very low heat so that it cooks slowly. The foot is already cooked. Now I want the ingredients to just boil slowly with the foot. I'm going to leave its benefits down below in the description box. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.